Hello everyone, today we will learn how to make a lady painting on the canvas. So firstly, trace the outlines of the design on your canvas. Now, once you have traced, take your flash tint color and apply it in the face and the neck portion of the lady. Now take the brown color and apply it in the hairs. Now apply the red color in the lips. Take the bright red color so that it looks beautiful. Now apply some pink color, or else you can do white with the shading of red in the flowers. And if you are new at my channel, then please subscribe and don't forget to share it with your family and friends. Now apply the golden in the jewelry part. Now take your black color and your thinnest round brush and start making some lines as shown in the video in the hair part. Now take black color and outline and fill some in the eye as shown. Now take your brown color and apply it in the leftover hair portion of the lady as shown. And if you want to buy any of the materials, then you can check the description box. I have linked all the materials over there. Now fill the light blue color in the background. Now fill the flesh tint color in the ears. And now you can just put some dots as shown using white color. Now we can also do shading in the flowers using our red color. Now take your golden outliner and outline everything. Now it's ready. Isn't it looking so beautiful? Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe.